GChempaint, uses and benefits, installation, open a new file, menu bar, toolbar and status bar. We will also learn about display area, document properties, using toolbox and saving the drawing with extension .gchempaint. Here I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 12.04, GChempaint version 0.12.10. To follow this tutorial, you should have knowledge of basics of chemistry up to 8th standard. GChempaint can be very easily installed using Ubuntu Software Center. For more information on Ubuntu Software Center, please refer to Ubuntu Linux tutorials on our website. What is GChempaint? GChempaint is a two-dimensional chemical structure editor. It has a multiple document interface. GChempaint allows you to draw and display two-dimensional chemical structures, drag and drop of templates, change length, angle and width of the bonds, use chemical calculator to calculate molecular weight of compounds. GChempaint helps in easy visualization of chemical structures, converting two-dimensional structures to three-dimensional structures, magnification of structures, automatic and manual assignment of atoms. Let us first see how to open a new GChempaint application. Click on Dash Home. Search bar appears. In the search bar, type GChempaint. Click on the GChempaint icon. We can also open GChempaint application from terminal. Press Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously to open the terminal. Type GChempaint and press Enter. GChempaint application opens. A typical GChempaint window looks like this. This is the menu bar. GChempaint has a standard menu bar like other window-based applications. Menu bar contains menu items like File, Edit, View, Tools, Windows and Help options. Toolbar contains most frequently used commands as icons. There are icons to open a new file, open existing file, save a file and print a file. This is the display area. Display area shows the structures and the contents of the file that we draw and edit. We can drag and drop tools from toolbox into the display area. Status bar displays information about current GChempaint activity. It also displays contextual information about menu items. Now I will explain about document properties. To open document properties window, click on File menu, navigate to Properties and click on it. Document properties window opens. I will drag the document properties window to maximize it. Document properties window has the following fields. Title. Let us type the title of the document as propane. Author's name. Let us type author's name as Madhuri. Email, let us leave it blank. History, this field shows the creation date of the document. It also shows the revision date of the document. This means it also shows the next edited date of the document. Theme, let us leave this field as GChempaint. Comments, in the comments field we can add text related to the document. Let us enter name of the compound and its formula. Propane, CH3, CH2, CH3. Let us click on Close button to close the window. Next, let us learn about Toolbox. Toolbox contains buttons for different tools. Toolbox is displayed along with the active document window. Let us now draw structures using Toolbox buttons. Let us first draw the structure of propane. Propane is CH3, CH2, CH3. Let us use Add a Chain tool from Toolbox to draw a carbon chain. Click on Add a Chain tool and then click on Display Area. A carbon chain is drawn on the display area. To change the orientation of the chain, click on Add a Chain tool. In the display area, click and hold the left mouse button to orient the chain. Do not release the left mouse button until the direction of the chain is fixed. Release the left mouse button after fixing the direction. We see that carbon chain is drawn. Note, once we click on the display area, the chain length and orientation of the chain are fixed. Let us now display atoms at each position on the chain. Here we have 3 positions to display atoms. Right click on the first position. A submenu opens. Select atom and then click on display symbol to display atoms at that position. Likewise, let us display atoms on all positions. Right click, select atom, click on display symbol. Here the structure of propane is drawn. Let us next draw a pentane structure on the same window. Click on Add a Chain tool. Then click on Display Area. To increase the chain length, hold the left mouse button and drag the cursor. Change orientation in the desired direction and release the left mouse button. Let us display atoms on all positions. Here we have 5 positions to display atoms. To display atoms on the first position, right click, a submenu opens, select atom and then click on display symbol. Likewise, let us display atoms on all positions. Here the structure of pentane is drawn. Let us now save the file. Click on File menu, select Save As. Save As dialog box opens. For file type, click on the drop down arrow. Various save formats are seen. Select 2D chemical structure. Type the file name as propane.gchempaint and click on Save button. File is saved with .gchempaint extension. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learnt about GChempaint, uses and benefits, installation, open a new file, menu bar, toolbar and status bar. We have also learnt about display area, document properties, using toolbox and save the drawing with extension .gchempaint. As an assignment, I would like you to draw structures of N-hexane and N-octane. Change the orientation. Display atoms on each position. Output of the assignment should look like this. Watch the video available at this URL. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops using